What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for cooling with Jay as always. Back again with another video on my 2021 Ducati Streetfighter V4S in the dark stuff colorway. Today's video comes to you because I had a viewer actually reach out to me in the comments and asked if I could do a mounting or a install video of my Quadlock mount from my motorcycle. And just so happens, a few days later, Quadlock actually announced their new Handlebar Mount Pro, which of course I do not have. So it actually was a perfect opportunity to install a new product and review it, test it, and of course, take this one off. Because my first plan was to actually remove this and reinstall it to kind of make a video, of course, but now I don't have to do that because I got a brand new product. Also, with that being said, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, because this is why. If you stay updated on all my content, if you have any questions, guys, I am always trying to make sure that I respond as quickly as possible to all your questions, comments, and concerns. And follow me on social media, on my Instagram. All the links are down below. And of course, I post daily, weekly content, videos, clips on there as well. So I would advise you to, just stay up to date. And my exhaust has been ordered. So I'm super excited about that. That should be here the next few days. And then I'll begin that installed soon. And of course, having that reveal. But anyway, this is about Quadlock. So if you didn't know already, I have a promo code with Quadlock. Use promo code CoolingWithJ at checkout and you will save. I also did another video a few weeks back going over the dash system on my bike. So check out that video if you want to end up walkthrough of the Streetfighter's TFT dash and kind of all the functions. And I will also put up the previous video as well of my top 5 dislikes on my Streetfighter if you haven't checked out that video. Now, getting back into this video, my iPhone 13 Pro Max, of course I have the new Quadlock case for it. I actually like mine mounted slightly, I like mine faced more almost horizontally, not vertically. So of course I can see the phone and all my contacts, music, that sort of thing. So mine's actually tilted more forward, so I have to make some custom adjustments for it to work. So what's cool about Quadlock is, man, they are definitely always on as far as getting their latest cases for the new phones. Like they've already announced, of course, the new Samsung S22, which I'm getting that soon as well. Also, with that being said, I just want to clarify one quick thing before we dive into this video, that on my channel, for those of you who are new, and for those of you who haven't seen me do any type of reviews, the one thing that will always remain the same today, tomorrow, and 500 years from now, if I buy a product or if I use a product, I'm gonna actually like the product. I'm not gonna pretend like I love a product or a brand just for the sake of views, just for the sake of money. That's not gonna be me, guys. That's never gonna be the case. Matter of fact, I had Quadlock on my motorcycle before me and Quadlock ever exchanged any email, phone number, contact, DM on Instagram, any of that. I actually bought their product for the first time out of my own pocket, and I love the product so much that they just happened to reach out after, and of course now we have a partnership. But I've always liked Quadlock's products, so I don't want people thinking that I'm just jumping on the bandwagon. I actually liked them way before we even had any kind of deal worked out. First, gotta take off this puppy, and this is what comes in the box, as you can see here. So I'm gonna definitely need this guy the most. First off, in this guy, you want to, well, for me, it's the 1 1/8. So I got the 1 1/8. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. It has little grooves on it. This wasn't on the last one, so that is interesting. Okay. All right. That's cool. Boom. Put that on there. So next up, get the arm out. I can definitely tell the finish, the fit and finish is definitely completely different than the last one. Unscrew this. All right, so for me guys, I add 2 spacers on top. Make sure the teeth are center. Excuse me. Then this drops in here. That drops in there. So this is the only piece for me that's a little different because I use the 2 spacers. So I will add a link for this. So this is the only aftermarket piece that doesn't come with the Quadlock. It's because I use 2 spacers here to give me more height. So when I move it this way, and remember, you don't want to tighten down anything yet because you're going to have to adjust it with the phone. So that's why it's always good to make sure that you don't super tighten them down so you can still move it back and forth and adjust it and all that. So actually, that's a little bit that's too tight. A little bit more. Nope. Come on. That teeth catch. There we go. See that? So you won't be able to make those adjustments when you move it. Okay? So that's that piece. So, oh wow. Oops. My behind actually installed the old one. I actually put the old one back on. That's funny. All right, now the new one's on. All right, new one is on. So now that's left. Now the trick is, for this guy, is, again, you'll probably be done, but me, I gotta put this on. That's the stabilizer. And there's a screw, like I said, on the other side of this guy, there's a screw. So tighten that in. See, that's not going anywhere. And then now this guy. And put this in. And that's pretty much it. For the most part, she's done, right? And that's pretty much your Quadlock mount. The only thing I'm gonna do now, get it adjusted. There we go. Now the phone's on. But you have to be careful, which I will show you now. You have to be careful because you do not want to hit it when you turn. So see, I gotta watch it. Excuse me. So see, make sure that doesn't hit. That's actually pretty good. It's a little close. That's actually pretty good. If I do say so myself, that's pretty good for a first time. I didn't want to get it done that quickly. All right, guys, so I made some micro adjustments on it. So basically what I did was I brought it down and then took this one notch over to the left, so tilted it, and then tilted this one back to adjust it. So what ends up happening is when I lock my phone, it's slightly tilted out to the left, so that way I can see all of the dash, like from my GoPro settings and stuff like that, so that way my phone is not obstructing my view. All right, now let's do a quick walk around of the new and improved Quadlock motorcycle pro mount.